Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Today is the day we're going to get the majority of the sweet potatoes planted. I put a video up showing how I was making these slips, and I've already pulled a lot off of here, and frankly waiting for my potatoes to get ready. These guys are about 2 weeks late getting done, so you can tell they've dropped a lot of leaves and whatnot. But I want to show you how these things do. As you should be able to see, we've got incredible root structure. Just beautiful. So we're going to get in here and see what all we can pull off. All right. There's our potato. These are the Murasakis. And we really don't need all this vine. So we can get rid of some of this. Actually, most of these could also be planted and make, but I want the ones down here with the roots. Wow, these are nice. So we are going to break that off, and we get, let's see how many we can pull out of here. There's one. I'm going to put it in some water because I don't want them to dry out. Here's another one. Now this would also probably root, because you can see these little nodes will make roots. But I've got enough plants here, I really don't think I'm going to need that. So let's come in here and find out where these guys joined up. So there's that one with some nice roots. 4. There's another one with roots. 5. So right now we'll go with 6 of the Murasakis. Will certainly get us started. And we'll set this aside and bring over the orange sweet potatoes. They're probably Beauregards, but many years ago I went with some organic ones we bought at the grocery store, and it didn't say what they were. But once again, as you can see, just tremendous plants here. So we're going to pull this end up here. Oh. Trim those down. And here's just a nice plant, complete with, I'm going to take my finger now, complete with a good root structure. Here's another nice one. Pull off. Wonderful roots. You just pile these potatoes into the thing, put a little dirt on top of them, and keep them watered, and pretty soon you got plenty of plants. So let's break this one off. There's a nice plant. There's another one with good root structure. Another one, and let's grab, put that back in there. Let's see if I can just go fishing down in here and just pull one out without actually pulling the potato up. probably, yeah. See, there's me another nice one. Roots and a plant. And we'll go with, there's a nice plant. What a beautiful plant that is. All right. So that does my orange ones. Okay, additionally, I've got the ones that I purchased that arrived a few days ago. We'll be planting them. I put them in some water. This is a Covington sweet potato slip. These are Bayou Belle. And one I've been trying for years to get a hold of is a white bonita. So as you can see, I've got the purple skin white flesh Murasaki. I got an orange. I got the white bonita. I got a one from Louisiana type, and then I have the #1 sweet potato that's grown in North Carolina. So I got 5 nice sweet potatoes. Got plenty of sets left, plenty of new plants left if I need more. And with that, I'm going to wash my hands and we'll head outside and start planting.